Hello, I'm Samantha Tovar, and I'm doing my presentation on social media and its effects. Let me see. So my 5 points that I picked were what kinds of social media are there, what's it used for, how can it be bad, are there benefits, and should we get rid of it? So some of the different kinds of social media that I've at least seen a lot of is like Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, that one's old, but Facebook, stuff like that. Um, and it's usually used just to keep in touch with like family, friends, people that are across the world or across the country from you. It's a good way to put your pictures out there so that you can stay in touch, know what other people are doing, and another thing you can use it for is for your business. I've personally seen a lot of this since the quarantine started. A lot of small businesses have been using social media to uh, get their business out there, advertise it, and also to find new ways to get in touch with people um, and sell their products or whatever they might need to do online. So that's been pretty cool. But there are some bad parts of the social media. Um, there's websites that you shouldn't get into, or um, I know that there are a lot of predators on websites like Instagram or Snapchat. You don't ever know really who's behind the screen, who you're talking to, and what their intentions are, especially if you've met them online. So there are definitely a lot of things that you should be looking out for when you're on social media, and there's also like scams and stuff that can happen. But as I've said before, there are benefits. Um, as long as you're aware of all of the precautions you need to take on social media, it can be a very helpful tool in businesses, even with school. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. Businesses, school, um, just staying in touch with family that you haven't been able to see in a long time, especially during quarantine. Um, it's been very helpful for all of that. So one of the big things that people have been talking about is, should we get rid of social media? And I think that we should definitely not get rid of it. I think that there's a lot more benefits than there are cons to using social media and having it around. Um, I do think that there should be more discussion about the things that we should be focusing on protecting ourselves from on social media and making people aware of the bad things that can happen. But should we get rid of it like as a whole? I don't think so. I think that it's a very useful tool in our growing world. So here are the references that I went through. There are 3 different scholarly journals that I read to learn a little bit more about the benefits and effects of social media. But yeah, it was really cool to learn about. Thank you.